Ever wonder why we sneeze? It's not because of dust. It's your brain rebooting. Yep, just like restarting a computer. That's why you sometimes forget what you were just thinking. It's your brain starting back up. When your brain reboots, it takes a second to remember everything. Sometimes you even forget why you sneezed. Once the reboot is done, your brain's back in business until the next sneeze. So next time you sneeze, just remember, you're rebooting your brain. Subscribe for more funny facts that make no sense, but will make you laugh.